What if I told you that 10 minutes a day is more powerful than 2 hours on the weekend?
10 minutes. That sounds too easy.
It sounds easy. But most people still don't do it. And that is exactly why their English never changes.
Oh. That is actually a little painful to hear.
Good. Because today, that changes. Hello everyone and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. Judy, that opening was very serious today.
Was it too serious?
No. I liked it. It woke me up. Better than coffee.
Better than coffee? Jake, that is the biggest compliment you have ever given me.
It's true. Okay, so Judy, how are you today?
I am wonderful today. And I want to tell you something. This morning I spoke to a listener. She left a comment on our last episode.
Oh, what did she say?
She said, 6 months ago I could not make one English sentence. Today I had a full conversation with my manager at work. In English.
Wow. That is incredible.
And do you know what she said her secret was?
What?
10 minutes. Every single day.
Just 10 minutes.
Just 10 minutes. And that is our topic today.
I already love this topic. But first, before we start.
Yes, we have a small request.
If you are enjoying this podcast, please click the like button right now.
And please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks so you never miss an episode.
And share this episode with one friend who wants to speak better English.
Thank you so much. You help us more than you know. Okay. Let's talk about this 10-minute habit.
Judy, can I be honest?
Always.
I have tried to study English many times. I start with energy. Big plans. I will study 1 hour every day.
And then?
Day 1, perfect. Day 2, good. Day 3, maybe. Day 4, I forget. Day 5, what was I doing again?
Jake, you just described every English learner in the world.
Really? It's not just me.
Not just you. This is the number one problem. Not ability. Not intelligence. Not time.
Then what is it?
Consistency. Doing something every day. Even when you are tired.
Consistency. That word sounds serious.
It is serious. But here is the good news. Consistency does not mean long. It means regular.
Regular. Like every day.
Every day. Even 10 minutes. Even 5 minutes.
Every single day. Okay. I'm listening.
So today I want to give you one complete system. Not 5 apps. Not 10 books. One simple system. 10 minutes a day. And it has 3 parts.
3 parts in 10 minutes. Okay. What is part 1?
Part 1 is called the warm-up. And it takes only 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Even I can do 2 minutes.
Everyone can. Here is what you do. You wake up. Before your phone. Before social media. Before anything, you speak English out loud for 2 minutes.
Out loud. In the morning. My voice doesn't work in the morning.
That's okay. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to happen. You say simple things. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I feel tired. I want coffee. The weather looks cold outside. Simple sentences. Your day. Your feelings. Your world.
So I talk to myself.
You talk to yourself. In English. Out loud. Every morning.
My neighbor will think I am strange.
Your neighbor's English will not improve.
That is very true. Okay. 2 minutes of talking to myself in the morning. That is the warm-up.
Exactly. And do you know why morning is important?
Why?
Because your brain is fresh. It just woke up. It is ready to receive new information. It is like a clean page in the morning.
A clean page. I like that. My brain is a clean page every morning. Usually I fill it with social media.
And today you will fill it with English instead.
English first. Social media second. New rule.
New rule. Excellent. That is part 1. 2 minutes. Every morning. Speak English out loud. Part 2 is called Listen and Repeat. And this is the most powerful part. It takes 5 minutes.
5 minutes. More than half of our time.
Yes. Because this part does something very special to your brain.
What does it do?
It connects listening and speaking at the same time. Most learners separate them. They listen on Monday. They try to speak on Friday. But the brain learns best when listening and speaking happen together, at the same moment.
At the same moment. How do I do that?
You find any English audio. A podcast, like this one.
Like this one. Good choice.
A very good choice. You press play. You listen to one sentence. You press pause. And then you repeat that sentence out loud. Same words. Same speed. Same feeling.
Like I am copying the speaker.
Exactly. Like a copy machine, but for English sounds.
A copy machine. I am the copy machine.
Yes. And this technique even has a name. It is called shadowing.
Shadowing. Like my shadow on the floor.
Exactly. Your shadow copies every move you make. You copy every sound the speaker makes.
Can I try right now?
Yes. Listeners, try this too. I will say a sentence. And you shadow too, at home.
Ready.
Every day I practice a little English and every day I get a little better.
Every day I practice a little English and every day I get a little better.
Perfect. Did you hear that? You copied the rhythm, the speed, the feeling of the sentence. That is shadowing.
It actually felt good. Like the sentence belonged to me.
Yes. That is exactly the feeling. When you shadow correctly, the sentence starts to feel like yours. Not someone else's English. Your English.
My English. I like the sound of that.
And 5 minutes of this every day. That is hundreds of sentences every week going directly into your mouth and your brain together.
Hundreds of sentences. Every week. Just from 5 minutes a day.
Just from 5 minutes a day. That is part 2. And part 3. The final part. This one is my personal favorite.
What is it?
It is called the one-sentence journal.
A journal. Like a diary.
Like a diary. But smaller. Much smaller. You write only one sentence in English every day.
One sentence. That is very small.
That is the point. One sentence is so small that you cannot say, I don't have time. You cannot say, I'm too tired. One sentence takes 60 seconds.
60 seconds. Even I have 60 seconds.
Everyone has 60 seconds. And your sentence can be anything. Today I felt nervous at work. I had a delicious lunch today. The weather was cold and I wanted to stay home.
Simple sentences about my day.
Simple sentences about your real life. And here is the secret power of this habit.
There is a secret power.
After 30 days, you have 30 sentences. After 60 days, 60 sentences. You look back and you see your own progress. Your own English. Growing. In your own words.
Oh. That is actually very emotional.
It is. Because language learning is invisible most of the time. You study and you cannot see the progress. But the journal shows you, look, here is day 1. Here is day 30. Look how far you came.
That would make me feel so good.
It makes everyone feel good. And feeling good makes you continue. And continuing makes you fluent.
The journal makes me continue. Continuing makes me fluent. I understand.
3 minutes. 1 sentence. Every evening. That is part 3.
Okay, Judy. Let me put it all together.
Yes. Let's review.
The 10-minute English habit. 3 parts. Part 1, the warm-up. 2 minutes every morning. Speak English out loud. Simple sentences. Your day, your feelings, your world.
Perfect. Part 2.
Part 2, listen and repeat. 5 minutes. Find an English audio. Press play, press pause, repeat. Shadow the speaker. Copy the sound, the speed, the feeling.
Excellent. And part 3.
Part 3, the 1-sentence journal. 3 minutes every evening. Write 1 English sentence about your day. Build your progress. See yourself growing.
That is the complete system. 2 plus 5 plus 3 equals 10 minutes. Every day. Same time. Same place. Like brushing your teeth. Then you will never miss your English habit.
Equals 10 minutes. I never miss brushing my teeth. My English teeth. I will brush them every day.
I love that. English teeth. I want to say something important before we finish. Some of you listening right now have been trying to learn English for years. Maybe 5 years. Maybe 10 years. And you feel stuck. You feel like your English is not moving. Like nothing is working. And I want to tell you directly, the problem is not you. The problem is the method. Studying for 1 hour on Saturday and 0 minutes the rest of the week, that does not work. Your brain does not learn that way. Every day. A little. Consistently. That is how language grows. Like a plant. You don't water a plant once a month. You water it a little, every day. And it grows. And one day, you look at it and it is beautiful and strong and you remember, I did that. 1 small drop of water every day. I did that. Your English is your plant. Water it today. 10 minutes. That is enough.
Of course. I know that feeling. The brain needs every day. And the plant grows slowly. But it grows. That is really nice, Judy. Well. I am going to start my 10-minute habit tonight. Part 3 first, I will write my 1 sentence before I sleep. Today I learned that 10 minutes can change everything. Thank you. I had a good teacher. And give this episode a like. It helps us reach more learners around the world. 1 person. You know someone. Send it to them right now. Tell us in the comments. We read every single one. By everyone. Go water your English plant.
Thank you everyone for listening to Enjoy English Talks. Please subscribe if you have not already. And share it with one person tonight. Just one person who needs to hear this. And we have a question for you today. What time will you do your 10-minute English habit? Morning? Evening? During lunch? Tell us in the comments. We read every single one. We will see you next time.